Google. Let's go get him again.
Welcome back to the Robe Zoe channel. I'm your host, Mark, and welcome to your weekly roundup where I tell you what to expect on the channel. Now, first and foremost, we are extremely late on this video. This is usually posted on Mondays. It is Wednesday of this week, but better late than never. I'm going to try, as late as I am, I have been testing certain things, and not that I'm ahead of the game, because I'm not. You should be seeing a video today, actually, an unboxing on this one, but we're going to see how good I am with my time management. So, hopefully your new year is going well. This week I have lots of goodies, really great stuff to my designer heads. It is not very designer heavy. This is very niche and indie heavy in regards to this week. I'm excited about this week. There's a lot of great testing here. So let's start it off on Wednesday. So Wednesday we are going to do the only designer release from what I can tell here in front of me, and this is Givenchy Gentleman EDP Réserve Privée. This fragrance I got, look at this, a sleeve. Like sleeves used to be like a telltale sign that you're getting a fake fragrance. Now they're starting to be more prominent in designer releases, but fear not, I got my little Shoppers Drug Mart sticker there. Yes, I got it from Shoppers with my points, actually, back in 2022. I think I bought this back then. So finally unboxing it, might as well. We're in the thick of things in winter. So let's get a design. I love this line. This is a great line. There's not many flops on the line, if any. I think the recent release was a flop personally from my nose. I didn't like it, Society. But this one, the rest of them, like the EDP to the Boisé, all excellent personally. It's Givenchy's flagship. They've just basically piggybacked off what Dior did with their Dior Online. And, you know, Dior kind of screwed up their Dior Online. It was perfectly fine. I don't know why they touched it. And these guys kind of picked up on it. This one has, I think, a boozy, a whiskey note or something like that. And a chestnut, I believe. So it kind of goes into this iris mode, but it's also piggybacking on what some things are popular. Boozy notes are always popular in designer fragrances, and so are nutty ones, you know, from the Stronger With You line. So I'm looking forward to unboxing. I only smelt this off the atomizer in Shoppers, and I went, it's pretty solid, I'll buy it. So that's where I was back then. I haven't smelt this since then, so it never went on my skin. So I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully it's going to be my scent of the day today. I am planning to shoot that video today. We'll see how productive I am. On Thursday, I'm hopeful the testing is done for this one, and this is an indie brand. This is something I love to do in my channel. These are fragrance brands that nobody talks about. They're indie. They're available only at certain places, and it's kind of like a hidden gem kind of thing. I bought this way back when in 2019, and I bought it because of the note breakdown and the name, which is Hunter from MCMC Fragrances. It's EDP concentration, and the name says it all. Like, just picture yourself, and don't think about the killing or anything, but picture yourself in the woods as a hunter. There's a lot of green fur in this thing, very green. So to all my friends that like green woody scents, hold on to your hats. This one's a really good one, and I'm hopeful that I can get that video to you tomorrow, if not next week. Friday, another unboxing, and this is a recently, well, I'm saying that loosely, a discontinued fragrance from Parfum Dusita, and this is Eau d'Infini, and this is my first bottle of the brand in my collection. I always wanted this. This is an Extrait. I do have a samples video that I shot in early 2023 on this release. I'm so happy to, this is my introduction to the brand. I love this scent, so I'm happy to finally unbox this again in the thick of winter. Let's get this thing in my collection and start sniffing it out. And I really do want to discover more of this brand, because this is the only thing I've smelt from them at all. Love this work. So if anything else is close to this, I'm going to be blown away. Next is your subscriber's choice, the one that won how many weeks ago? This has been a while. This is Jo Malone's Mir et Tonka. So Jo Malone, I only have one video on Jo Malone from what I recall. It was a sampling sample, so we're gonna get another one, but that was like 6 years ago or something like that. So I'm excited about this. This was one of our fragrance heads, reviewers on YouTube, his favorite fragrance, and just kind of reminds me of him. And I can't wait to smell this and start working on this review. What a great friend. That gentleman passed away, but he was, I don't know where he found the time, but he commented on everybody's videos, and it wasn't just like, good job, buddy. No, he actually watched the videos because he was in depth with his comments. Just selfless person, selfish. So I can't wait to delve into that one on Saturday, hopefully. I haven't started testing, we'll see. And then lastly on Sunday, Bortnikoff, my second Bortnikoff little sample from Lucky Scent, and this is Tabac Doré. So tobacco-based release from Bortnikoff, very dark juice. So I'm looking forward to it. There's not much juice in here. I think they actually skimmed me on the juice because it's actually under the sticker. But this is expensive stuff, so I'm assuming I probably got less. Maybe Lucky Scent skimmed me, maybe not. We'll see. But that's another brand that I want to discover more. That's my second one. So I really loved the first one that I got, and this is a brand that I don't have a bottle. Actually, I don't have a bottle of Bortnikoff in my collection. I don't have a bottle of Jo Malone in my collection. I don't have a bottle of Dusita in my collection. This is my only bottle from MCMC Fragrances. Actually, I've never smelled anything else from this brand. So it's really lots of discovery here. And then Givenchy. Well, Givenchy is, where are they? Oh, you might not see it. My collection's down there. I probably have 24 bottles from Givenchy. I don't mean just the gentleman, but the whole line. So an interesting week, a lot of discovery for me. I'm looking forward to it. The unboxings are going to be interesting. I think they're winter appropriate fragrances as well. So I'm looking forward to it. Just as always, I love seeing the comments below. Please comment below. Let me know what you're looking forward to, what you're going to be tuning into. Much appreciated. I will try to condense all this in the, how many days we got left? 5 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What? 5 jours. Okay. A little off today. So, yeah, please comment below. Let me know if you're tuning in, you're not. I'm also doing on the community page of my YouTube channel, I've been trying daily to let you know about new releases and like kind of giving you a poll, but kind of really just letting you know what's coming through. If you're watching this video and you're at the end of the video and you're watching this, please let me know if that's something that you want me to continue. I feel like there's quite a bit of votes on it, so it might help people out discovering new scents coming out instead of me doing videos. I was doing videos for a while, but I might just do community page. Just let me know. Love that. Thank you very much for watching. Appreciate you. Love you.